What is up, online marketers? Now, welcome to another digital review video. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a quick tutorial and review on a new email marketing software bundle that just came out called EmailRamp. It just released today, so if you're early enough, you'll be able to get some pretty cool good bonuses that I'm gonna talk about in a few minutes from now. So this is called EmailRamp. I'm gonna be giving you some bonuses also aside from the bonuses that are included in this purchase. So this is called EmailRamp. So what is EmailRamp? EmailRamp is a done for you email marketing bundle that covers as much as 499 pre-written emails in 10 different niches. But there's a correction to this. This is not 499. We've got almost like 999 to somewhere 2000 emails pre-written for you to choose from. So you have over 2000 pre-written emails to choose from, which can be used in cases of product launch, pre-sale, webinar, re-engagement, and many more. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the sales page first before we come to the tutorial inside the membership area here. So we're gonna go to the sales page. So this, as you can see, is where you're gonna land when this goes live. This is Neil Napier. He also did Kivio. So he's also done another amazing funnel building and membership software, more or less like ClickFunnels. And he's also done, he's the one doing EmailRamp. So you know you're getting a good deal. He's a really good digital marketer, 6-figure earner. So you know you're getting some really good stuff. So here's the fact saying many businesses struggle with getting new leads and then converting those leads to customers. So mostly you and me have noticed that it's not really the traffic, but really it's the email marketing. It's the follow-ups in the email. It's the follow-up in the leads. It's nurturing your list to acquiring what you want. So here are some reviews, some testimonials. I've used EmailRamp. Completing email sequences have saved me weeks of writing. So when you look at that and you go down here, there's two ways that you can use this software. You can use it for personal use or agency use, whereby you get to purchase it and you get to offer it on a service to other people that you can pull out some emails from here and you can sell them to other businesses, other online marketers that need email swipes for their email marketing, and you can just customize them as I'm going to show you inside the members here, because you've got 2137 emails so far, 24 from here. But if you're going to be getting a regular bundle, you're going to have about 999 emails pre-written for you. So you can use it on a personal space. As you may have heard, money is in the list, but that's if you know how to follow up the list. So this gives you these emails are really professionally written, guys. They're professionally written. If I were to go into here and show you some of the emails that I'm going to show you, you'll be stoked at how good these emails really are. So you don't have to struggle. You don't have to look at maybe they might go into the spam. No, these are professionally written. So you can use this as a personal or as an agency. If you are interested in building a list, you can help hundreds of local business owners run their own email marketing. These business owners already have traffic, but they don't know how to convert it into sales and leads. So let's take, for example, to search for maybe yoga training. I really like being practical, guys. Hope you're sticking along and watching what I'm trying to say when I talk about email marketing and how you can use this software as an agency. So as you can see, there are yoga trainers, guys in real estate. Okay, basically, maybe say music, health and fitness. Those guys are all about health and fitness. They are not marketers. So if you look at this, there's nowhere where they're able to get leads from, or they have customers that are just passing by. So you can come here, ask for them to help you out, ask you to help them out by acquiring leads and nurturing those leads and making follow-ups. And all you can do is come pick up some emails from here, as you will see later on, because in here you've got some pre-written emails from a lot of niches. These are the niches that they cover: from internet marketing, weight loss, beauty and skincare, parenting, local marketing, cryptocurrency, alternative medicine, online business opportunities, self-help and personal development. So it's a wide spectrum that you can choose from, really, guys. John Barron: since I started using EmailRamp, I had an amazing increase by 28% returned responses. This has led me to adding 4 new video marketing clients. EmailRamp helped me generate $11,000 from my newsletter. I love simple copy-paste system, and this one at least doubled my open and click-through rates. So you wanna up your email marketing game? This is a software for you. So I'm gonna go inside now and really show you what's inside this beautiful software. So when you come in here, you want to go here, you want to come here, select a niche. Once you select the niche that you are in, is it internet marketing, is it beauty and skincare, is it weight loss? So maybe say you're dealing with weight loss. You want to select the nature of the emails that you want to start sending out. Is it list nurturing emails that you can use to offer value to your subscribers, win their trust, and finally pitch them to buy something? Pre-launch emails you can use to get subscribers eager and ready to buy products as soon as it's launched. Product launch emails you can use to promote the launch of your product or service. Storytelling emails, re-engagement emails, discount and time limited offers. This is all about playing with people's scarcity. Emotional selling, whereby you sell an emotion and people purchase through that. So it happens in almost all the niches. This is in weight loss. If we go back, select a niche, maybe internet marketing. So you can see list nurturing. Let's say you wanted to nurture a list, and maybe say, let's say you are doing a pre-launch. You can come here, select pre-launch, and these are the email series in the pre-launch that you can use. So you can come here, you can maybe select view, you can view that email. There's also an inbuilt email editor in here. You can come here, edit whatever you need to edit. This is summary, description. You come to the main body, the subject, then to the main email here, and you can make some adjustments depending on your product and the nature of the email that you would like to send out. Then all you can do is just copy after you're done with everything, or you can just copy it here, go to your get response, paste it in there, run that email, and it will be ready to go, and you'll be ready to do your campaign. Plus, it's not only one email, you get a couple of emails. As you can see, there is email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is an email campaign already done for you, as you can see. So you want to come here and you want to get yourself EmailRamp. If you've liked what you've seen, just come here to this sales page. When it goes live, it will be going live pretty soon. By the time I finish uploading this video and the time you're watching this video, this product is live and ready to sell. So this is just a short tutorial, just like I was showing you. It's great for newbies, developed by A-level copywriters. You save yourself from money and time. So you guys might be asking, what about my emails? I'm new to email marketing. I'm struggling. My emails are going to the spam folder. Or what happens when it's saturated? It doesn't happen like that. That can't happen. These guys are professional email writers and they've tested this out. If you come over here and listen to this video, Neon Appiah here explains everything, answers all your questions, any question marks that you may have here. He's talked about, they've gone in and out testing these emails, and the spam score is really good. They've tested them to have delivered really well. They just can't sell you something that's really crappy, guys. That's not how this works. So if we were to go to Fiverr, and look for some email marketers, as you can see, others are charging $105, $30, $150 for a specific email campaign. That's a once-off price. So every time you need more campaigns for different products, you have to come back here and buy. But when you come here, what these guys have done is they are offering you this product at a very, very good price of, I think, $27 here. So once you buy this product before the price goes up, the time you come here, you find some timer loading, and once that goes up, you'll find the offer over. So if you come here on time, the time that I upload this video, maybe this should take maybe 2-3 days, you'll find bonuses. The first bonus is a free list building webinar. Second bonus is an email marketing hack. Third bonus, 100 powerful subject lines. 5-minute bonus is a 5-minute daily print. Then you've got fifth bonus, Facebook ad course, and all that. So here it is. This will be going 7 hours from now, but by the time I upload this video, it will be already up and running. I'm just recording it in advance, but by the time you see this video, as you are seeing it right now, so you can click the link in the description, go over to Email Ramp, and you find it already ready to sell. It's really been stressful. I just got back from work from a hectic night shift and decided to do a quick video, guys. Hope you found value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my Online Money Hooks channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I'll be sure to give you a better video tomorrow, and then deep tips to look and everything. Thanks very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.